Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Science Fun. I'm Dr. Science, and this is my brilliant assistant, Kid Scientist. Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to make a homemade lava lamp. It's super cool and really easy to do. That's right, Kid Scientist. For this experiment, you'll need the following materials: a clear plastic or glass bottle, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Let's get started. First, fill the bottle about a quarter full with water. Next, we're going to add vegetable oil. Fill the bottle almost to the top, leaving a little space at the top. Wow, look how the oil sits on top of the water. That's because water and oil don't mix. Oil is less dense than water, so it floats exactly. Now it's time to add some color. Choose your favorite food coloring and add a few drops to the bottle. The food coloring is mixing with the water, not the oil cool. Now comes the fun part. Take an Alka-Seltzer tablet, break it into a few pieces and drop them into the bottle one at a time. Whoa, it looks just like a lava lamp. The Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to produce carbon dioxide gas. The gas forms bubbles that rise to the top, carrying some of the colored water with them. When the bubbles reach the top, they pop and the water sinks back down. This creates the lava lamp effect. This is so awesome, and we made it with stuff from around the house. That's right, Kid Scientist Science is all about exploring and having fun with the world around you. And remember, always ask an adult for help when doing experiments at home. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this experiment, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more science fun. And don't forget to share your own lava lamp creations with us. Until next time, keep experimenting and stay curious.